Teaching isn't just about filling a bucket, it's about igniting a fire.
My miss unhappy, fantastic, and my helping.
And yeah, she kind of makes us believe in ourselves.
When you get to the end of the lesson, well, you almost feel like you want to applaud and shout encore.
Mae'n gwneud i pethau cymhleth teimlo mwy syml ac yn gwneud pethau ella mwy diflas, mwy hwyl.
The kindest, best teacher ever.
I can see a future for myself, and that really wouldn't have been a possibility without them. And I know, hand on heart, there's a lot of people here who feel exactly the same way as well.
Good luck.
Pob luck.
Good luck. Pob luck. Good luck. Pob luck.
I'm here at the Professional Teaching Awards Cymru, and we've been celebrating some of the fantastic work done in our schools and colleges.
Y diolch fwyaf yw i'r myfyrwyr, our students, are so important.
To wake up every morning and love your job is what I do.
But just from me, a really heartfelt thank you for all the work that you've done this year. Diolch o galon.